Today we're going to be doing some testing on this TPI industrial floor fan. It's a kind of a dirty TPI industrial floor fan. We're going to be looking at the amperage draw with the power meter over there. We're going to be looking at the decibel levels with the decibel meter, and we're going to be taking measurements of the velocity in feet per minute with the anemometer. And then we're going to compare those numbers to what we got in the last video when we looked at the Airmaster 12-inch fan right here. And I thought it would be a fun comparison to do because Airmaster and TPI are both old fan companies. They've been around for a long time, making really high quality products, and there's a lot of stiff competition there between these two companies, and I think there has been for a long time now. So I thought this would be a fun comparison, but the TPI just looks very robust. It's definitely wears the industrial label well. It's got a thick heavy duty guard. It's a deep guard. It's got a very cool looking blade there with the square-ish paddles. Heavy duty stand here. The motor looks massive by comparison to the Airmaster fan. So this is definitely going to be a case of like the beefy, muscly guy versus the scrawny, lankier guy in the fight. But it'll be fun. It'll be interesting. So let's get to it. What we're going to do here is we're going to start with the low speed. We'll record the amps, the decibels, and velocity, and then we'll do the same thing with the medium and the high speeds. So let's get to it. I'm going to start it on low. I'm going to get my notebook out of here before it goes across the room. Okay, here's low. Looking at 0.32. Decibels. We'll call it 66. And the velocity, we're going to call it 1050. Okay, so go to speed 2 now. 1350. We'll go to high speed. Call it 1300. All right, let's compare the numbers. Looking at the power draw here, pretty interesting. It goes from 0.32 amps to 0.34 from the low to the medium, and then a huge jump to 0.59. So only a 200th step up from low to medium, and then 25 from medium to high, which is kind of weird because it doesn't really correlate with the other elements here. So for the decibel levels, we had 66 to 68 from the low to the medium, and then a 4 decibel step up from medium to high, which was about the same as the Airmaster. And then in the feet per minute here, pretty similar numbers to the Airmaster. We had the same feet per minute, same velocity on the low, and then a slightly smaller increase from low to medium, went up 100 feet per minute, went up 200 on the Airmaster, and then on the Airmaster it only went up 100 feet per minute from medium to high, and a slightly smaller, or a slightly larger rather, increase from medium to high with 150 feet per minute. But even then, the high speed velocity was a little bit under the Airmaster, about 50 feet per minute, and I really had to squeeze out that 1300 feet per minute. If you were watching that, it was kind of set at 1299. I couldn't get it to go over 1299, and I took longer than I probably should have. I cheated a little bit. I didn't really cheat, I just took my time trying to find that 1300, and eventually it did go over 1300, but it very quickly went back down into like the 1270 territory. So that's a pretty generous 1300 right there, and kind of surprising that the Airmaster would have more velocity than the TPI, but it just goes to show that you know, just because the fan looks bigger and tougher and everything, it doesn't necessarily move more air. and the motor is larger. That's why I like the anemometer. That's why I like that meter, because it kind of demystifies some preconceptions that we have about certain fans. It's been kind of a humbling experience to see fans that I had built up in my head as being better air movers than certain other fans, and finding out that it's not really the case. But pretty interesting developments. Still, if I had to keep one of these fans, I would probably still keep the TPI, just because it looks awesome and the looks are more appealing to me. Whereas the Airmaster just kind of looks more like a general run-of-the-mill fan. It's not really trying to do anything with styling. It looks good, it's high quality materials, but as far as design and style goes, it's not really reinventing anything. The TPI is pretty unique. You don't see too many fans that look like this one, with the general design of the fan, the guard, the shape of the blade paddles and everything. It's just a really unique fan, really cool fan, but I think it's quite a bit more expensive. I meant to check the Amazon prices on these, but I'm positive the TPI is significantly more expensive than the Airmaster. So if the looks of the fan don't matter to you, I think the Airmaster is probably a better value for what you get. So in any case, nothing bad to say about these fans. They're totally awesome, high quality, probably the best 12-inch floor fans that you can buy right now. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.